Hi guys, here I'm doing a tossing handle switch video, and I've decided to include my light setup just in case you're interested. Here I have a Lantern Smith glow-in-the-dark palm handle and a rigged washer with 2 ties on it, and a bunch of other washers in case you don't have a light. Here I have my wand core string and the swivel I'm going to be using. Thread the knot through the ring at the bottom and then push the swivel through the loop at the top that you just pulled through, making a cow hitch. Take your washer with a loop, thread it through the top wide end of the palm, and just pull that washer down in there for now. Swivel, loop. Loop needs to be just big enough to fit over the palm. So that's another cow hitch. Secured. There's my tossing handle. Basic. And then here's this light, which is a Night Eyes pet light, and it's just got this little switch on the back. Turns on, it's very bright. Insert it into the handle, washer on the outside, and pull down. This also makes the distance from the palm to the handle not as huge, and it lights it up nice. If you don't have a Night Eyes light, they're like $4 at Ace Hardware. They only last for 24 hours, so turn them off when you're done. And then you've got to put a new battery in, but it's possible. You can use washers instead if you want your palm to be heavier. I have 5 additional here. Just wedge those in. And pull down your final washer on top of this. So that's your basic. So now, if you want the really fast setup, you use your extra string and an additional swivel. And so you should already have your swivel mounted on your string with another cow hitch. So then you have a long string in your pocket with a swivel. And then you pull the knot of your baseline, take the whole swivel off. Loop got caught in there. Then another cow hitch. So cow hitch, long string. Bam.